Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble numbers, only way. Start by blocking out the basic round forms for each digit to establish size and spacing. Focus on consistent curve rhythm and balanced negative space between strokes to keep digits readable. Use overlapping contours to imply thickness, then refine with a cleaner outline. Finish by adding soft highlights and shadows to sell the 3D puffiness and make the numbers feel tactile today. Begin shading by deciding on a single light source and stick with it through every digit. Build depth with 2 main tones and 1 highlight, blending softly where volumes curve toward the viewer. Keep shadow edges softer near midtones and harder where shapes tuck under, which reads as thickness. For crispness, erase stray pencil marks and reinforce the final outline before applying color or texture so the bubble numbers stay clean and playful. Pick a color scheme that complements your layout and apply gentle gradients that follow each digit's form. Use a lighter rim highlight on the side facing the light and a tiny specular spot to imply gloss. Keep texture minimal so the numbers read clearly at small sizes, and test visibility by shrinking them down. Export at multiple sizes or as vectors to retain smoothness, and make adjustments for legibility before finalizing your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.